True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. So guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am in Mandeville, Manchester, guys, and take a tour of Mandeville. Yeah, man, this is what Mandeville look like. It's about 8:49 a.m. in the morning. So take a tour with your tour guide, Fire Reid. I'm gonna leave in the comment section and tell me what you think, you know. So today the stick and stay, all of the people them want to see Mandeville town. People wish to live in different areas in Manchester. So this is what Mandeville town look like, guys. So leave in the comment section, tell me what you think about this town area. If it's a clean town, if it's a well organized town, if you would live here. So I'm very close to the park area. So I'm giving an update. Cruz bus park. This is the bus park will take you to Santa Cruz and other places. Go on, you know. I want to look for no Mandeville. Fesco, the gas station they used to call Fesco, you know, so this was discharged by fire. Heavens, yeah, man, so you know, fix up on everything. Yeah, the left turn will take you onto Wards Avenue. A lot of people forget that place now, Wards Avenue. And Scotiabank is right on your left. On your right you have the Mandeville Primary. Yeah, man, so on your right you have the Mandeville Primary School, and across from the Mandeville Primary School you have the Island Regional. Yeah, man, so yeah. So This is the road take you to the hospital. Don't forget this road, you know. Don't forget this road. And you know, in Manchester, the Sovereign, I think it's a Sovereign, a Plaza, Sovereign Plaza. Yeah man, so make a left turn. I'm showing the Plaza. Over there you have the Domino Pizza, you have the Wendy's. This is what it look like here. This is the Progressive Food Store. So over here you have some places you can go have some lunch or dinner. Some nice restaurant is right over here. And this plaza right here is a Sovereign shopping center also. Yeah man, so you know when Manchester with Fire Reid. So you have a lot of parking lot over here. So normally if you can't find no parking, if you want to do some working, you can come park over here. So because sometimes the place kind of busy. And over here you have security guards who can protect your vehicle, but you're still gonna park at your own risk. So remember, if I made the right turn, you cannot make a right turn because it's a one-way, guys. That's what I take you back on the road when I come off. So we're gonna make the left turn, or you can go across the stoplight, which could take you all back up into the town area, and also the post office, the tax office on that street, and you can carry back down to Hargreaves Avenue if you go straight across the stoplight. But I'm gonna make the left turn. So the Mandeville Regional Hospital is on your right. Yeah, so I go on the paper. So no Jamaica with Fire Reid. And also you have the Midway Mall. Over Midway Mall you have the Island Grill. So we're gonna take a little tour over the Midway Mall area. So when you come to the Midway Mall, you're gonna have Island Grill, Super Plus Food Store. So this is what it look like here. And leave in the comment section, guys. people, so I'm gonna take you all to the Mandeville shopping center, guys. So we're heading towards the stoplight, which could take us back onto, I think it's Main Street. So we're gonna make the left turn right here, which would take us to the shopping center. So here you have supermarket, pharmacy. This is where you have the Fontana pharmacy.